So in this video, we want to suggest an appropriate unit of time to say how long each of these takes. So let's look at the first one. So how long it takes to run 100 meters. Well, an athlete would probably be looking to run it in under 10 seconds, wouldn't they? So really, this is something you would be measuring in seconds. Now, as I said in a previous video, very similar to this, there would be nothing wrong in measuring this in minutes, but it probably wouldn't be particularly helpful when you're trying to focus on seconds or parts of seconds. So seconds will probably be fine. So the next one, how long a film at the cinema lasts. Now, if you look at cinema listings and it tells you how much time they are, usually they tell you it in minutes. Now, if a film is 150 minutes, for example, I'd probably say, oh, that's 2.5 hours. So I'd probably convert it into hours in my head, hours and minutes. So minutes or hours here would probably be fine. But as I said, usually you'll see films saying how many minutes they are. Number 3, how long a human pregnancy lasts. Now, the first thing that probably comes to mind is 9 months. That's generally what people say. So months would be fine. But also people, depending on who you speak to, people talk about it in number of weeks. So 9 months, if you're saying 4 weeks to each month, that would be 36 months. But usually pregnancy lasts between 37 to 40 weeks. So months or weeks would be fine as an appropriate unit of time for that. And how long ago Winston Churchill was Prime Minister of the UK? Well, Winston Churchill was Prime Minister of the UK, his final year was 1955. Now, again, you could measure that in minutes, but it'd be quite a number of minutes, so we probably wouldn't do that. So, or, you know, to the other extreme, we wouldn't go into measuring in centuries because we haven't completed a full century yet, and for 2055. So you'd probably be measuring this one in years, wouldn't you? So years would be most appropriate in that situation.